Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook Memories posts. Facebook Memories are reminders of your past posts, photos, and life events. While you can't delete the memories feature itself, you can delete the original posts that appear in your memories. So once deleted, they will no longer show up in your feature memories. So to start, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account. Now on the left side, open Memories. So look for Memories on the left side and click on that. And this is where you can see your memories. So locate the memory you want to remove. So for example, this one. So open the original post, or you can just click the three dots right here in the top right corner of the post. So click on that. Then select delete post or move to trash depending on your device. So click on that and confirm your choice by clicking delete again, and that post will be deleted. So again, so once you open Facebook, just go to memories on the left side. So click on memories. Then from here, you can see your memories. Then locate the memory you want to remove. Then just click the three dots right here in the top right of the post. Then click delete post and it will be deleted. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.